Okay, so we are done already with. We're going to check this one. We're going to skip the unattended installation. Then next, so we're going to press the next. So in this virtual hard disk, we're going to create a virtual hard disk now. So we're going to use the 50 gigabytes. So okay, next. Summary: the following table summarizes the configuration that you have chosen for the new virtual machine. When you are happy with this configuration, we're going to finish. Then we're going to create the virtual machine Windows 10. Alright, so ito na po guys. So this time, we're going to start our virtual machine, the Client 9, which is the Windows 10 Professional for Education. We're going to tap Start. Then we're going to follow the instruction in the virtual machine in installing operating system. Okay, so here is now the Windows 10 in our virtual machine. So the first step is we're going to follow the instructions in installing the Windows 10. Alright, so we're going to hit the install now. Okay, so setup is starting. Then we're going to tap this one because we don't have the product key. I don't have a product key for this operating system. So in computer system servicing, we're going to use the Windows 10 Professional as our default client because the Windows 10 Professional support the domain. Okay guys, so we're going to accept the agreement. The next. Then in this part, we're going to select the custom Windows only. So since in our virtual box we have only 50 gigabytes, so we're going to tap next. Huwag na natin guys lagyan ng partition kasi 50 gigabytes lang. Next. So this time the Windows setup is starting. Installing Windows, copying files, getting files ready for installation. Wait po natin mag 100%. Installing the features, installing the updates, then finishing up. So that is the steps in installing Windows 10 in the Oracle virtual machine or the virtual box. Okay, so while po nag-start pa ng installing, we're going to check the settings for this our virtual box. We're going to select the network. So in the network, there is adapter 1. We're going to select the NAT or the bridge adapter. Okay, we're going to select the bridge adapter or we can have the NAT configuration or the bridge adapter. Okay, VirtualBox is saving the settings, finishing up 3%. So after this installation guys, you have already your virtual machine. Windows 10 in your virtual machine. In this area, I have here the Windows Server 2012 R2. Then, yung pangalawa is Windows 10 Professional. So, wait po natin guys matapos yung configuration. Saka po tayo mag... Alright, so I think ilang minutes na lang po guys. So, para matapos yung pag-install ng Windows 10 sa ating Oracle Virtual Machine. 91%. Okay guys, alright. So, we are done already with our Windows 10. Tapos na po tayo mag-install ng Windows 10 sa VirtualBox. We're going to follow the instructions in installing operating system. Okay. We have here the client 9, our the name of our client in the virtual machine. Medyo matagal po yung loading guys. Okay? Alright, start na po guys. Hintayin po natin matapos ito na loading. Pagkatapos po nito is ready na po mag-set up ng Windows 10 sa ating virtual machine. Starting services. Alright, so we're going to select the region. Of course, we're going to use the United States. Just a moment. US. Okay. Just follow the instructions in installing Windows 10 in the VirtualBox para po tama yung pag-install natin. Kasi po baka magkamali tayo. Okay, so let's connect you to a network. Since we don't have a network here, so we're going to skip this one. So, tagal ng loading. So, I don't have the internet. Just a moment. Continue with the limited setup. Just a moment. Then we're going to name this PC as our client. We're going to name this one client 9. So we have 9 users already. So we're going to use this one. Instead 234 is our default password. 234. Then we can in this area you can have here your three security questions. So what's your favorite pet? So I'm just putting here 234 again para po mas mabilis. Then number two, what's the name of your the city where you were born? 123 234. Then the security question, what was your childhood nicknames? I'm just going to 234 para po hindi natin makalimutan. So yung ginawa po natin na password, hindi talaga yun ang tama na password. So that is just only a sample of our password. So in creating a password, it should be a combination of letter, caps lock, and numbers. So para lang po mas mabilis tayo maka-set up. So location, we're going to know this one diagnostic because this is just only a trial for Windows client for our virtual machine. So we're going to not now Cornata. We're going to uh, skip the configuration for Cornata. Then just a moment. All right. So we have here our new installed Windows 10 Professional. We're getting ready for you. So after this, you are done already with your Windows 10 setup. This might take several times. Don't turn off your PC. So, guys, meron na tayong Windows 10 dito sa ating virtual machine. Alright. Ito na po. Hintayin po natin guys matapos yung loading ng PC. This might take several times. Don't turn off your PC para po hindi magka-error yung installation ng virtual machine. Okay? Tagal. Okay, so Windows stays up to date to protect you from the online world. So ito po yung bagong configuration ng Windows 10 Professional. This is used for uh, domain setup. Windows 10 Professional support the domain configuration. Okay, we can have here the uh, maybe later. So right now we have here our Windows 10. We're going to check the settings of our operating system in this Windows virtual machine. We're going to select the properties. We have here the properties of our system. Medyo lag po siya guys kasi going to select the system. Okay, so we have here the settings of our Windows 10. Tingnan. We're going to check this one para po natin ma-check kung sakto po ba yung na-install nating Windows 10 configuration. Okay, so specification. We have here the Windows spec. We have here the Windows 10 Professional. Alright, so yellow po guys. Salamat po. Sana marami kayong natutunan. Bye-bye.